This is Amanda.
Ugh.
Ew. Anyways, that's Priscilla. Don't look so crazy like a deer or something. Okay, you're done. And there's Snabby. Look at her trying to look innocent and stuff. Yo, zoomed in. My bad. And they're Sticky.
We're twins.
Don't be a crack fox.
Not yourself.
Do something. Oh!
Stop showing off.
It's not funny.
Don't punch people. Do something funny.
She's not funny. She's just weird.
This is gonna be.
I know how to do that one dance. I'm not.